Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. You want to perform a factory reset if you have issues, like maybe one side's not working, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe you get static, maybe it's out of sync, or you can't get into pairing mode, or you just can't connect, and so on. So the factory reset is very simple, okay? We're just going to use the buttons on the headphones itself. So on the right ear cup here, first thing I'm going to do is just turn it on. Let me press and hold that power button. It just said power on. Now it's on, okay? Now, it just said connect. I'm connected to another phone right now, but anyway, it doesn't matter what's happening right here, okay? Now, with it on, what we want to do is press and hold two buttons, okay? Is the volume up and the volume down. We want to press and hold and just keep holding until this goes into pairing mode where it starts, you get like a blue blinking light, okay? So we'll do it together. Volume down, power button, ready, set, go. Just keep holding, okay? Keep holding for like 10 seconds or so. Just keep holding.
Power off.
It just said power off. I'm still holding.
Power on.
Now it said power back on, and now it is in pairing mode and the factory reset is complete. Now, remember I told you I was connected or paired to this phone here, an iPhone here, okay? So if I wanted to connect back to this phone after I did the factory reset, I have to go to my settings here, and then I'm gonna go to Bluetooth, and then let me slide down, and you can see the JBLs right here. They're paired on my iPhone here. Let me click on that I button there for information. I'm gonna forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it's like unpair, but basically I'm just deleting it off the paired list there. Now, it's in pairing mode, so it should find it down here. Let me just turn off Bluetooth. Let me turn it back on. Just do another quick scan. And we should be able to connect back to this phone now. And let me scroll down. And that spinny thing there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode. And I did find the JBL Tune 670 NCs. And I'll just tap right there. And voila, we are now connected back. Pretty simple.